feel just like a rock star.
Hey, what's up? What is going on, guys? It is your boy RockStarr here, back with another video, and today we got something a little bit different for you guys. Now, if you guys have been subscribed to me for a while, you know that before I did like a little mini series of our live trading sessions and just running it up with our educators, and I did the whole face cam thing and stuff like that. So we got something kind of similar to that today, except I'm actually going to be trading by myself, and even better, even cooler, I am trading on the weekend. All right, this is Friday night, the market is closed, and we are still trading. So we're trading what's called OTC prices, which is over the counter prices. Certain binary options brokers allow this, but not all of them. Most of them, for the most part, don't. All right, you really got to find a good broker, especially if it's like offshore, overshores, right? US based brokers, if you're in the US, don't allow OTC, so on and so forth. So I'm actually trading OTC right now, running it up with just 1 minute positions. And this was actually a fire session. This actually just happened just now. I went 6 out of 8, I believe, or 6 out of 8. So I won 6, I lost 2. I cleared about $50 in 20 minutes. So not too much. Not the most amount of money, right? Could pay a few bills with that. But the reason why, so a few things, right? A few things is going on right now. So one, I'm uploading this video. I actually thought it would be a good idea to do this because originally I had another video scheduled for today, Friday. And as I was editing the video and pretty much getting ready to upload it last night, I realized that I messed up and I deleted the screen recording. So I had my face cam on it, but I deleted the screen recording for that video. So I was going to do, as I'm not even gonna tell you guys, it will most likely be one of my next videos, so you'll see it. But I messed up that video completely. So I didn't have an upload for today, which kind of threw off my entire schedule. And as I'm trading just now, I've actually been trading OTC on race option for the past 3 weekends now. And all 3 weekends I came out profitable, and I actually really enjoy it. There's something about the weekends. I don't know if I'm just really busy throughout the weekday, but on the weekends, my house is just way more quiet. I don't know what it is, but it's just more quiet. I can focus a lot better. I'm more awake. It's just a better time for me to trade, which is why I initially started looking into trading on the weekends. Now, the one thing I didn't like, obviously, about weekend trading is that the market is closed, so I can't really see. I use TradingView. If you guys don't know, I use TradingView to do a lot of my markups. Most traders do. Obviously, market's closed. TradingView isn't moving. So I kind of got used to marking up on race option with the candle chart and the tick chart and just kind of going back and forth between the two to get my markups on the candle, but then to enter to look at my position on the tick. And you guys will see me in this video going back and forth doing that. But it's super fire. I absolutely love it. So like I said, $50 in about 20 minutes, not bad. All these positions were $10 positions. So once again, not a lot. And that's because I'm not used to this. So I'm definitely not going to be over leveraging or anything like that. As I get used to it, I'll worry about securing a bigger bag with it. But for now, I'm just running it up like this. And hey, you know what? $50 in 20 minutes. There's people that work 5, 6, 8+ hours a day, especially after taxes, to make that. So the fact that I make that in 20 minutes is definitely awesome. Now, you guys are also going to see me. I blur out all the profits, the position size and stuff like that in this video. I already know there's going to be a lot of people wondering why, asking why. And the reason is very short, very simple. So being straight up with you guys, the platform that I am a part of, number one, taught me how to trade binary options, taught me how to trade Forex in general, but also taught me how to trade binary options. The thing is that I am a representative of the company. And if you're on my team, hopefully you're taking notes here, right? Stop showing profits. We are legally not allowed to show profits. We're legally not allowed to, it's called like enticing people to join based off of our personal results. So that's why I blur out the profits. I'm not trying to get terminated from the company. I enjoy my income. So like I said, even though I already told you guys it's $10 positions, I'm not allowed to show profits, dollar signs. All right. So Keeping it short and simple. Now, obviously, I do want to say, obviously, past results does not guarantee future return. And the reason why I'm saying this is because there are so many people that sit there and just complain. Like, you guys got to understand, this is not like a get rich overnight kind of thing, right? And there's so many people that complain like, oh, I joined this program, I joined this platform, so on and so forth. And they told me I was going to make this and I didn't make that. Well, people like that are the reason why I have so many rules in doing what it is that I do. So I just appreciate if you guys just didn't complain so much, but that's not going to happen. We're on the internet, right? So back to the video. So pretty much what I'm doing is I'm trading $1 positions. 1 minute positions right now. This is actually a strategy that I kind of already, all right, so here's what I did. You guys see me on the screen marking up. I took 3 of my main indicators. So 3 of the main indicators that I use with my actual strategy, I put it onto the candle chart on Race Option. By the way, Race Option is one of my favorite binary options broker. Race Option, Vide Forex. Click the link in my description, go check them out, right? But I took some of my main indicators, and then you also see me marking up like just quick trend lines, right, to find like that quick pullback or potential entry points. So this is something that I've been testing out on the 1 minute time frame of as far as just hopping in and hopping out of the trades, and it's been working like freaking clockwork. As you guys see here, 6 wins, 2 losses, not too shabby, not too bad, right? Now, for those of you that are brand new to this, now I know there's a lot of people here that subscribe to me for MetaTrader 4 style Forex. What people should know is that there's actually more than one style of trading Forex. You don't have to trade on MetaTrader 4. And I know for a lot of people, MC4 can be very confusing. That is one of the main reasons why I chose binary options. Forex options is just so much easier. It's so much simpler to learn. You don't have to worry about like take profits and stop loss and margins and pips and spreads and buy limits and sell stops. Like, all those things are cool if you're trading MetaTrader 4. Binary options, though, you don't have to worry about that. And that's why I absolutely love it. It's all or nothing style of trading. So literally you're getting into the trade and you're making like, based on your analysis, you're making a prediction of where the market is going to move within a certain period of time, right? So it's time-based trading. It's not based on pips. I'm not worried about catching, 10, 20, 30 pips. I just have to be right within a certain period of time. In this example here on the screen, I'm doing 1 minute positions. So I just have to be correct within 1 minute. And if I'm right within a minute, I make all my money, right? So that's exactly how you guys were able to see me run this up. 50 bucks, 20 minutes, not bad. So look, all right, let's look at my next position so I can give you guys a live example, right? Let's see when I get in. Like I said, you see me, look, I'm marking up here. Just trying to find the trend, maybe get that potential pullback. And you guys see this is perfect. So it was in a nice little uptrend. But you also see we got that wick, right? Pulled right back to my trend line area. And obviously that was the drop. So I missed that, which is why you see me looking at it. I'm like, damn, I fucking missed it. I go to another pair. Let's see if we can get this. All right. Nope. I already know I didn't take that. There's no setup there. And by the way, if you guys want more of these, just seeing me trade, live like this was a very quick video, honestly. It was a spur of the moment. But if you guys want more of these, definitely let me know, right? Run it up. Let me know. Drop a like on this. Make sure you share it out. Comment. Let me know on the gram that you guys enjoyed it. All right, I think I'm gonna catch this one. Yep. All right, so I just hit the sell button, right? So this was a 1 minute position. So look, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys on this screen here. So very simple. You guys see the red line, right? And you see where the market's at. So pretty much this is a 1 minute trade. I entered where that red line is at with the red triangle going down, the red arrow. That was the entry point of my position, right? So all I'm pretty much saying is that I believe, being that I sold, right? I put a put in. I placed a put, which is also a sell. I'm pretty much just saying I believe that the market is going to be below this initial entry point within the next 60 seconds, within the next minute. If I'm correct, all right, if I'm correct, and in this case, obviously you guys see I'm winning, and I think this is actually the last trade of the night as well. But if I'm correct, then I walk away with my full payout. All right. Yeah, this was definitely the last trade. You guys see I'm not moving around as much anymore because I'm like, all right, cool. I'm about to clear this and call it a night. Well, not really, because I traded again tonight, but so I just cleared that. Very simple. So I walk away with the payout, That's it. So it's super simple, super easy, super straight to the point. Quick little trading session for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. And if you did, like I said, let me know. I'll definitely run up some more of these, show you guys exactly how I do it. As well as, let me know if you guys want to see some more videos, more based on binary options, more based on how to trade binaries, how to get into binaries, and just honestly the difference between binaries and MetaTrader 4. Because like I said, I know a lot of you come here looking for MetaTrader 4 because it's more popular. But man, there's so much money to be made in binary options. So with that being said, guys, it's your boy Rockstar. I'll catch you guys on the next video. All right, I'm out. Hopefully you enjoyed. Peace.
Feel just like a rock star.